Hey guys, it's Megan, and I just thought I'd quickly show you how I make my samples, how I make slime. And sorry about the green plant in the way. I'm trying to figure out a way to set this up so you can see me making it, but it's been a little difficult. So, this is good. So I have my samples. Well, I have these containers. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue in there. Just a little bit. And it's not that thick. Like, it's not that wide. And then I like to add some water. Because why not? I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And then I'm going to grab this thing. Mix it with. Then mix it up. Being very careful so it doesn't spill. And then I'm just gonna add some activator, and I don't have that much left, so yeah. And then we're just gonna stir in it. It might look kind of gross, but yeah. As you can see, it's looking. This is also a type of putty that I make, so yeah. Then you just take it out of the borax and water. This was a slime fail. It is so sticky. I'm going to put it on the surface, and I'm going to see if I can flip the camera. Flip. So, I thought I'd be showing you guys how to make slime. Instead, I showed you guys how to fail, because this is super sticky, and it's not that stretchy. Yes. So, there's still some slime inside the bowl, so I'm going to put extra activator back into the bowl. I'm going to try to get all the slime that got stuck to the side of this. It actually feels really nice. It's stretchy. Maybe this wasn't a fail after all. So yeah, that's how you can make putty-based slime, I guess. Bye!